Hello everyone and welcome back. With the holiday season upon us, it's a time for reflection, gratitude, and setting our sights on the future. Today we're exploring a wish list that goes beyond material gifts, a wish list filled with aspirations for financial success. But before we dive into this festive journey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all things financial. Let's get started. 1. Debt reduction. As we gather around the holiday table, one common wish is to lighten the load of financial obligations. Many of us aspire to reduce or eliminate debt, creating a pathway to a more financially liberated future. Number 2, increased savings. Amidst the twinkling lights, the wish for increased savings shines bright. Whether it's building an emergency fund or padding those retirement accounts, the dream is to watch those savings grow like a snowfall on a winter night. 3. Financial stability. As the ornaments adorn our homes, the wish for stability in our financial lives resonates. Imagine a future where unexpected expenses are but gentle snowflakes, manageable and not a storm. That's the vision, financial stability. 4. Improved credit score. Hidden among the tinsel, there's a wish for a higher credit score, a beacon leading to lower interest rates and smoother financial journeys. It's the gift of improved financial flexibility. 5. Career advancement. As we toast to the season, many wish for career success, a journey up the corporate ladder, a thriving business, or a fulfilling entrepreneurial venture. It's the wish for increased income and a stepping stone to financial prosperity. And our 6. Home ownership dreams. Picture this: a home adorned with holiday lights and the wish to call it your own. For many, the dream of home ownership sparkles brightly on this festive wish list. Number 7. Financial education. Amidst the holiday reading, there's a wish for knowledge, a desire to enhance financial literacy, the gift of understanding investments, budgeting, and navigating the financial landscape more confidently. 8. Entrepreneurial success. Underneath the tree of possibilities, there's a wish for entrepreneurial success. It's the dream of business triumphs and financial independence, a gift that keeps on giving. Number 9. Generosity and charitable giving. As we embrace the spirit of giving, there's a wish to give back. Whether supporting local communities or contributing to meaningful causes, the desire for generosity shines as bright as any holiday light. Number 10. Reduced financial stress. Amidst the hustle and bustle, there's a wish for peace, a wish to reduce financial stress. It's the dream of facing challenges with resilience and managing the holiday hustle without the financial bustle. And number 11. Family financial well-being. Gathered around the hearth, there's a wish for the financial well-being of our loved ones. It's the dream of helping family members achieve their goals and ensuring a comfortable retirement for those who paved our way. Number 12. Early retirement. As we bid farewell to the year, there's a wish for early retirement. It's the dream of financial independence, allowing us to retire earlier than traditional ages and savor the fruits of our hard work. And there you have it, the holiday wish list for financial success. Each wish, a star in the constellation of our aspirations. If you found this journey insightful, don't forget to give it a festive thumbs up and share it with friends and family. May your holidays be filled with joy, and may your financial dreams sparkle like the brightest ornaments on the tree. Until next time, happy holidays and a prosperous new year.